caliper on my ST shit out. So I came up here to use Eric's bleeder, and he's gonna drive me to the store to get a new caliper. Hello. Yeah. So.
Okay. I'm gonna run it again, but up this way.
Huh?
I'm gonna run it again, but I'm gonna do it. Oh god. I'm gonna run it again, but run it this direction, so it like drains out.
I feel.
Wow. Yeah, that water's fucked.
I've been doing a lot of phone clips lately just because it's easier. All right, we cut it down. Should hopefully be the same size now. Let's see if it fits. Unfortunately, oh, it doesn't want to go in still. I feel like I could fucking make it fit though. Just barely off. Bring this end down quite a bit. It's on an angle like a motherfucker. It's a lot flatter than it was a second ago. My heater's fucking too loud. I need to turn it off. I'm hot. I'm burning up. A lot of phone clips lately. But hey, I mean, the motor mount's in. It works. It's good. Now a lot of other stuff to do. There's other things coming, so that'll probably be where we continue the video. I'll be back shortly. So, painted the oil cooler with the wrinkle red. Came out decent. I mean, it's just an oil cooler. It's not too crazy. Got the new gasket in for that. I got new rear brake pads. And I also painted the mount for the motor mount that goes on the trans with the wrinkle red. This just looks like rough, to be honest. I mean, the wrinkle didn't really come out great just because it's already a rough piece of metal. I didn't do any prep on any of these. I literally just degreased them, cleaned them off slightly, and then hit them with the base coat and painted them. So yeah, those are done. Unfortunately, the other parts that were supposed to come this week, they're not going to be here. I got the oil, the twist on oil fucking cooler thing. Holy shit, I can't remember the word. I got this new housing that allows for a twist on filter, as well as utilizing the oil cooler that we just painted and cleaned. So yeah, a lot of things happened. The brake caliper got completed on the ST. My e-brake is just being a piece of shit now, so that's fun. I think I need new cables. They might just be stretched out. I honestly don't know what the issue is with them. I guess there's an adjustment underneath my center console, potentially, that we could mess with. Don't know what the plan is. I have to finish cleaning this out for the mini bike setup. I got to order the wheel. I planned on doing that. I don't know if I'm going to do it in the beginning of the month or the middle of the month. I have too many projects going on already at the moment, so I'm not really in too much of a rush. Plus, I need to get a welder and or go bug Eric for his welder. So that's a thing that has to happen. I also got some stuff for the Rebel. Yeah, China. And unfortunately, so I'm just going to say it now, I got the passenger seat bar, and I ordered the passenger seat directly from Honda. So the thing is, it goes through some like third-party website, and then you have to pick a dealership near you, and then they ship it out to the dealership. Well, the charge dropped off of my bank account, and I've not heard anything since I tried to order it. Nobody's called me. I emailed them several times, the dealership that's supposed to be getting it, on top of the supplier, and nothing. So at this point, I should have just bought the eBay, or not eBay, the Amazon seat. I will say this is kind of a foul experience trying to work directly with Honda. That's probably why a lot of people end up utilizing the Amazon stuff. It could just be the dealership near me is just a piece of shit. That's also possible. I'm not trying to shit on anybody. But yeah, it just, I don't know, it's frustrating. I'd like to have it set up so that when it's nice out, I can take the kiddo for a ride and take Melissa for a ride. So yeah, this video will probably end off here. I don't really know what else to include in it because unfortunately I don't have anything else to do to the cars. My bike here, about to be warrantying out my cranks, but this pedal is stuck on. I don't know why I said wheel. I was staring at the wheel, but yeah, that's really all I've been working on. I'm gonna use these cranks for a minute, try to get that off again today. It's pretty much my only project until I get stuff in. The mini bike sitting in its glory, ready to go. I got this vise here. This thing's pretty chill, super cheap. It was like 80 bucks for a little 6-inch vise, killing it. And yeah, it's a mess in here, man. So I'm gonna clean up the garage and hopefully get this pedal off. So thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in seeing some more videos, go check out the gaming channel. I'm really trying to push both channels this year and push myself. I'm going to be streaming on Kick. I've switched over to Kick from Twitch. I might use both. I don't really know what the plan is at the moment. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.